this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and today I want to talk about copywriting SEO. Now, copywriting and SEO go hand in hand when it comes to creating content that is both engaging for your readers and optimized for search engines. Here are some tips on how to combine copywriting and SEO. Number one, do keyword research before you start writing. Do keyword research to find out what your target audience is searching for. This will help you create content that is relevant and optimized for search engines. 2. Use keywords strategically. Once you have identified your target keywords, use them strategically throughout your content, including them in your headlines, subheadlines, meta tags, and within the body of your content, but don't overuse them. This can be seen as spammy and may hurt your SEO efforts. 3. Write compelling headlines. Your headlines is the first thing people will see, so make it count. Use power words and emotional triggers to create compelling headlines that grab attention and encourages clicks. 4. Optimize your meta tags. Your meta title and description are important SEO elements that can affect your click-through rate. Make sure your meta tags include your target keywords and provide a clear and conscious description of your content. Number 5, use internal linking. Internal linking can help you improve the website's SEO and user experience. Link to other relevant pages on your website to help search engines understand the structure of your website and keep visitors engaged. Number 6, focus on quality content. Ultimately, the most important factor for both copywriting and SEO is quality content. Create content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. If people will enjoy reading your content, they are more likely to share it and link back to it, which can improve your SEO over time. Remember, copywriting and SEO are an ongoing process. Monitor your results, make adjustments as necessary, and continue to create high-quality content, engage your audience, and attract search engines. And don't forget to hit that share button, the like, and the bell. And this is Scott, and I'll see you in the next video.